Here I've got ALCATEL A3 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset on this device through the secret code. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 2886 pound. And now we are in testing mode, in testing menu. Here you have to select manual, it's for manual. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select factory reset. Click here. And just wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now you can set up your device as a new one. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.